Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're here, it's because you would like to know more about this WAVLINK. One thing I have to tell you off the bat is that yes, there are many options. Many people might not agree with what I am going to say. I am not a super genius or a super expert on these matters, but I can tell you comfortably that I am super happy with the results that I am getting from this. Now I put everything back together in the box so that I can give you a brief unboxing experience, but I have everything already set up and running. Let me open this up so that you can see. Immediately when opening it, of course, as is always the case, you do have a user manual. If it's not on top, it might be somewhere inside the box. Read it so that you would understand how to operate your device. You also have the actual device, which in this case is the WAVLINK engine itself. I am going to take it out to show you what it looks like. This is what we're looking at right now. The assembly of this is super easy. I am going to do it quickly so that you can have a brief idea. So you actually have the antennas. Each antenna is labeled with a frequency. This one is 2.4. So if we look at where the antennas go, you will notice that you will find a 2.4 and a 5G signal. So you have 5Gs on the right if you grab it looking at it from the back, or 5G on the left if you look at it from you looking at the actual machine or Wi-Fi extender. So since this one is 2.4, it will go on the 2.4. Now, here is some rubber. You will see that each antenna has a few rubbers. You have the option of either taking it off or leaving it on. I definitely leave it on, especially so that I can prevent any liquid coming into contact with the metal. And this is because it's easier for me and more secure. I feel more comfortable this way. I am going to quickly assemble this so that I can give you the next step, and we'll take it from there. One moment, please. All right, folks. So I've already assembled it, as you can tell. Again, I decided to keep the rubber because it feels more secure for me and because it prevents water from coming into contact with the actual antenna metal. So this is the way it works. This is the setup that you have going on. Then you're going to briefly remove this part here. And what it does is that it gives us access to the actual connecting ports. All right. So let me explain what we're going to do. In the box, we get the actual accessories that we will be using. So we have the power brick, we have this adapter, and we have these screws and these wall studs in case you're planning to drill this on your wall, which is my case later on. And we have this Ethernet cable. So what you will do is that you will unwrap the Ethernet cable. Okay, so what you would do is that you would use the Ethernet cable and bring it in from the bottom. Once you have the Ethernet from the bottom, you put it through here, and then you will mount this here. And now this is ready to be connected to the, I am using the PoE because I am not going to use the LAN. I'm going to connect from Wi-Fi to Wi-Fi, making this an extender. So once you plug it in, then you would sync this part here. Find the angle that it corresponds. It's nice and simple, it's not difficult. Then bring this in so that it's nice and protected. And then you bring this part here. And then you're just simply going to tie it up again. Once this is tied up, you will notice how the wire is held in nice and comfortable. So this is pretty nice. Now what you will do next is that you will connect this Ethernet or this LAN cable to the one that says PoE. This is going to deliver power to the actual engine. And then you're just simply going to connect your power brick to the power section. And that's pretty much it. Once you have this set up, you will plug it in and turn it on if it's not already on. And then you're simply going to go and follow the information on this specific manual. It's very simple. You could either go to this link and get yourself set up and follow the instructions. It's really, really easy to follow. Or you could just simply log into the Wi-Fi by adding the following. Go to this link, wifi.wavelink.com, and the password is going to be admin. Once you are inside, just follow the steps so that you can connect your router. It's pretty much that simple. There is no way that you can go wrong. I promise you that this is super easy, and this is a really good device. At least for me it is. I have not yet drilled anything on the walls. I am planning to put this in the roof of my house. But truly, I am very, very happy with the results that I'm getting. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do ask. And if at all possible, I will reply. Thank you, my friends, and see you on the next one. Bye.